Hey, thanks for tuning in and welcome to Millennium of All Trades. In this video, I want to show you how to add and edit blogs on your Wix website. Now, there are two options here. So, for example, you've already created your website and it has the blog feature on it. So here, for example, my website is a book blog. So here you already have, as you can see here, you already have the option. If you don't have the blog option, you can easily add it from apps or the app market. So you go to your left-handed menu here and click on these four squares and then add apps. Once you click on add apps, you go to the app market and just type Wix Blog. So here I'm just typing Wix Blog and then looking for it. And here, just in case you don't have that feature, you can always add it, and of course you can always delete it. So here is our feature, Wix Blog, and as you can see here, I already have it installed. Instead, if you don't have it installed, all you have to do is just click install and then you have the feature. And then I'm going to show you how to add your blog. So I want to add my blog. I just go and click on go to dashboard. Once I click on go to dashboard, you get this page right here. So here there are two ways to just create your blog. Here you can just go to your left-handed panel here and then scroll down until you find this sort of pen icon and then click on post, and you can add your post from here. And you can also sometimes find a feature that's written here, write your first blog or edit your first blog in one of these options. So here I'm just going to go and click on blog and then click on posts. And then from posts, as you can see, you have different types of posts. You have the publish, draft, pending review, scheduled, and trust. So here I want to add my new post. I'm going to create my new post or my new blog. So here is the canvas for your new blog, and there are many tools that you can use. You can add images, you can add some videos, you can change some SEO, let's say options, monetize, translate, etc. And here, for example, adding the title, for example, how to add a blog, the blog feature, which is the title of this video. And then here you can start typing and adding what you want. So here you just go back to the line and then start typing whatever you want. You can change the font as usual, the size, the font size, bold, italic, underline, color, whatever you want. Once you do that, you can just click on save, or you can publish it directly if your blog is ready to be published. And this is basically how to add blogs on your Wix website. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful.